So we're going to be reviewing the Sharper Image gun. Now I've already opened it and tested it. It works just fine. So you'll put your batteries in the back and it's already ready to go. Ready. So then after that, you'll get the phone of the choice. I couldn't use my phone because I'm using it to record, and also it wouldn't work with this. It's because I couldn't get the app updated for some reason. My phone is not being good today.
Here's a challenge. You're scrolling on TikTok watching videos right now, while looking at your phone exactly how you are right now without moving. Take a video and make a sound. This is what you look like while you're
So you have to have your Bluetooth on, which is on right there. So after your Bluetooth is on, you're going to have to download. It's wanting you to scan. Just look up AR gun and you'll see that little logo. And then this right here, you don't have to have the phone on charge. I just have it on charge. I'll get it in here. So here we go. It's search. Oh, I'm turning that down. So it says search AR gun. You should pull the trigger for 3 seconds.
What's happening?
So after you hold it, this should pop up. Yeah, some stuff like this. I'm Sniper, Tank Battle. We had Road Run. I'm going to review I Am Sniper because it's kind of more free roam game. I'm getting so cold for some reason. Oh, I'm recording on it too. Facing it though. Oh, yeah, I'm facing the floor in it. Oh, Jesus. Whoa. Yep, there we are. We're in. And you see we're on a virtual world. You can do that. You can use that to shoot. You can do this with both your fingers. Tap. Yeah, you gotta use some thing. Boom, and then like zoom. Pull it over here. And like if we can see any guys. It's gonna be hard. One-handed. I'm gonna switch hands. What's pulling? So as you can see, I'm trying to shoot the guy.
So guys, oh sorry.
Boom.
So guys, looking for my daughters.
Boom. Right in the crotch. No, it's not showing us best quality. It's not really the best. This is gonna be hard to show off, but then I can't because the problem I have with it is if I look down, I just see the ground. There we go. And then you can move around like this. And the only way I found out to fire, oh yeah, if you want to know how to do it again, it brings up this menu. I don't understand it really. Yeah, I don't honestly. You click this little arrow. Every game will have one. You just go find it. You say yep. And that's quite different. I've went to the bad side of it. I don't know what I've hit. Cover switch. I love this game. It's gonna make me download the game, isn't it? Oh, I don't want to though. No, kick me out that. There we go. I'm not downloading that. This is what it'll look like whenever you're starting out and stuff. And sorry if there's a big flash.
Thanks for watching.
I'll block that. There you guys go. It's a lot better. And I'm trying to block the light as best as I can. I don't know why it's on. Just recorded. I had it on, so this beauty. So you can see. So it's just get off this, you guys kind of got the idea. So so you do have the clip that is interchangeable. I'll get that off right. Okay, so it's off. Just a little connector. I can put my selfie stick one on. And this is just a simple selfie stick one. And it fits right on it. And see, look, it's easy as that. 1, 2, 3. Phone still fits in it, everything. Yeah, let's just get this back to default. Okay, that was difficult. Some magicness of this. But yeah, as you can see, we've got the logo, sharp image, we have some screws along the side. This is the better side, so I'll show off this. And no, this is not an actual caulk. I can't caulk that bad, well, I don't think. This is actually like some of the Bluetooth device coming here. That's why that's like that shape, kinda. That's why that's weird. It's popping out, kinda. I just love the colors on this gun. Blue and green, and orange is beautiful. So as you can see, you'd put your batteries down there. I don't know if there's a way to, but in the trigger, and just listen to it. But yeah, that's with the app. Like, the app's kind of got some stuff on it. I just wanted to show, like, this. Like, there's a few different ones that you can get. We have weld saw, like, deep sea explosion. It's going to take me to a whole thing. Like, there's a bunch of different ones of these. If you just look up Vens Technologies and look up AR after, it'll bring up all of their AR games. I'll show you. Like right here, all their AR games. They have like, I think they have over 8. I'm not. What is this? Is this something new? I'm not sure. Something with an AR though. We have the AR gun, which is the original app. We have AR welds. Remember, all this works with all the sharp image AR guns. With all the AR stuff. And I think this is kind of cool. I saw the doors done, it was kind of cool. And I just think like it's cool looking without the thing. Like when simple just drop in, it'll just take off the thing and automatically watch. As you can see, it now came off. And like without that, it's actually a pretty cool gun. I like the idea. It could be a lot more in-depth and actually like use the camera, your phone and stuff, and have like different height movements, but I'm not sure how that would work most of all. But yeah, because like whenever you're playing, it seems like your character is a lot more lower than like how you are. Like it seems like you're down like this, then all the way up here, if you understand what I mean. So yeah. That was the AR gun. Sharp image AR gun. It's pretty cool, so bye.